Remember to join us for Sunday Night Lime at 8 p.m. right after the uploads.
Yes. Hi. Because your voice coach is coming today, Kamisha. JCDC isn't a monkey thing.
Okay.
And you are going to do your best.
That's fine.
Am I going to get a video this time?
Yes, ma'am.
Make sure. What time does practice start?
It starts 1 o'clock.
And what time does it end?
3 o'clock or 3:30.
Your uncle will be coming at 3:30. Please be outside. That when he comes, he has no problem.
Okay, mommy.
Alright. Have a great day.
You too.
Love you.
Love you too.
Yeah, babe. I just reach back. No man, Kamisha gone to school. She have extra class and the voice training for the JCDC Festival finals. But she no want go. May I feel force her now because she no want go, but she want practice at home. So when she practice at home, who are gonna do the voice training? Cause you know me can't sing. I know you can croak like a bit. You're not professional, sir. I want her to get the training. Cause girl have to bring home trophy to mommy and daddy. Not pay you no mind. So how the conference go? When you say I come home? Alright, babe. Take care. Talk to you later. Yeah, man. Nicey, is that room booked?
No, the gentleman that put in the glass just left. He put it in St. Martin and Purus.
You mean the glass shower?
Yeah.
Oh, him finally reach. This nice. Just need to clean.
Yeah, I was about to ask Margaret to clean it.
Okay. I can tell her.
You know, I just spoke to Trevor and he said that the conference is going really well. Oh, it's Kamisha. I haven't seen her in a long while.
Kamisha is okay, Nicey.
She must be bigger now.
Yes, she is.
Beautiful little girl.
Nicey, let me ask you a question. What going for the business and the guy will take over?
Oh, that. Well, I heard that he has sold everything. Everything that I have worked so hard for. Even my vehicle.
You heard? Who you hear that from?
That young lady that came here the other day. She works with the company's office. She's from the investigation team. And she's the one that told me.
Interesting. So, he's a part of an investigation?
Yes, that's what she explained to me. She said he's a part of an ongoing investigation. It's a group of them that goes around taking woman business.
Nicey, I'm interested to know, how did you meet this young man for him to take over your business?
Remember, I told you that while I was away, he provided somewhere for me to stay. I returned the same gesture to him, but I didn't really know who he was.
And what?
I don't understand.
Nicey, something just not adding up with this story. There is definitely more.
There may be more, but not as it relates with me. Camille, you think I'm some form of con artist?
Honestly, I don't know. It may not be you, but a strong possibility of who you're associated with.
Do you realize that I am the victim here? I sacrificed so much to put this business together. I even sacrificed a relationship with my daughter.
And Nicey, I have a business to protect. So you can understand why I'm asking these questions.